Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Greek omelet. First, crack 3 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them well with a fork until slightly frothy. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to the egg mixture. Next, prepare your fresh ingredients. Finely chop 1/4 of a red onion, slice a few cherry tomatoes, and crumble about 2 ounces of creamy Feta cheese. Don't forget a handful of fresh spinach. Now let's get cooking. Place an 8-inch non-stick pan over medium heat and add about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add your finely chopped red onion. Sauté the onion for about 2 to 3 minutes until it softens and becomes translucent. Then, toss in the fresh spinach and sliced cherry tomatoes. Cook these for another minute or 2, just until the spinach wilts down nicely and the tomatoes begin to soften. With your vegetables perfectly sautéed, it's time for the eggs. Pour the whisked egg mixture directly over the cooked vegetables in the pan. Immediately sprinkle the crumbled Feta cheese evenly across the surface of the eggs. Reduce the heat to medium-low. As the edges of the omelet begin to set, gently push the cooked egg towards the center with a spatula, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process until most of the egg is set but still slightly moist on top. Once the omelet is mostly set, but still a little creamy in the middle, carefully fold 1/2 of the omelet over the other using your spatula, creating a beautiful crescent shape. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just to ensure it's heated through. Then, gently slide your perfectly cooked Greek omelet onto a warm plate. Garnish with a little extra fresh parsley if you like, and serve immediately. It's a fantastic, healthy meal any time of day. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.